So here we have a right triangle, and it tells us that C equals 5, so let's go ahead and label that. And angle A is 60 degrees, so angle A is right here, 60 degrees. Okay, we want to find side A, side B, and angle B. Okay, I'm going to find angle B first, and the measure of angle B is going to be 30 degrees because in a right triangle, the two acute angles are complementary. They need to add to 90, and so 90 minus 60 is 30 degrees. All right, now let's go ahead and see if we can find side A. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out what connection side A is to the angle I have. It's opposite, and I also have hypotenuse. So I'm going to come up with a trig function that connects opposite and hypotenuse. So that's sine. The sine of 60 degrees equals opposite, which is A, over hypotenuse, which is 5. I can solve that for A by multiplying both sides by 5. And so A is going to equal 5 times the sine of 60. Now, thinking of unit circles, 60 degrees is right here, littler x, bigger y. So this is going to be square root 3 over 2, the y value here. This is 1/2 and square root 3 over 2. All right, so I'm just going to leave the answer like that. I should leave it in exact form. And so the answer is 5 square roots of 3 over 2. Now let's go ahead and find side B. And side B, compared to the 60-degree angle, is adjacent, and then I'll put it over hypotenuse. So that's going to be cosine of 60. That's going to equal adjacent, which is B, over hypotenuse, which is 5. We'll multiply both sides by 5, clear the fraction. So B equals 5 times the cosine of 60. Well, the cosine is the x value on the unit circle there. That's 1/2. So this side B is going to be 5/2. We could run a quick check because now we have all of the sides. The Pythagorean theorem would need to hold. So let's take A, which is 5 square roots of 3 over 2, and we'll square that, plus B, which is 5 over 2, and let's square that, and that should equal, and I'm just going to put a question mark, does that equal C, which is 5 squared? So let's simplify and see what we get. The squared applies to the 5, 25. The square root of 3 squared is 3, so that's 75, and square the 2 on the bottom is 4, plus square the 5 on top is 25, square the 2 on the bottom is 4. Those have common denominator combined to give me 100/4, and 100 divided by 4 is 25, and in fact that does equal 5 squared, which is 25. So Pythagorean theorem holds. That was a good check.